This architecture is some premium stuff, Zoe. Don't get fooled by the glamour. It's created by pure evil. Sure, but the Ice King's got flair. Okay, Mia. Throw room in the text. All right, let's defraud the king.
Ready?
Be on your guard. He's hiding somewhere. So, what is the Ice King's deal? Apart from his interior design.
He is the most evil and dangerous menace alive, and if not defeated, the entire Underlands will fall into eternal winter. Mia, look what I found. Step away from the cat.
Aren't you the cutest?
That's the Ice King.
This little guy? Get out of here.
I based him on our neighbor's cat. That devious little monster was always up to mischief, stalking us, killing birds, mice, squirrels, everything.
Zoe, we are not killing a cat.
Pet me or die, human. What? Pet me or die.
Whoa, take it easy, Snowball.
Oh, if it is then. Whoosh! May I ask who dares disturb me without giving me cuddles?
We're here to end your icy reign of terror once and for all.
Rarely do I ever get humans on my menu. Poor me, but sweet lord, today must be my lucky day.
He shapeshifts too. The pearl is his source of power. We need to destroy it.
He wants to play.
What's that?
Whoa! There's a killer! Just stay alive!
Pag-umas kita. Stop lang siya. Cut. Pahinga, Lucas, pahinga. Na. Ay, balik ako siya. Nadaganan na ako. Hello. Yan, go. Wait. Stop. Ay, kick back. Kick back kapag ano, back sa tao. Go. Basta samarit lang. Basta samarit, wag ka mag-carry kasi masyadong mali. Hindi mo makita. Yan, go. Pati-bilis lang. Hello. Yan, go. Kami. Basta na ito. Silang kumalun. Kumalun na yung mga spikes. Let's go. Ingat. Ayun na. Magsisima ko doon. Sasalugin yung bola. Sabagat mo sa kanya, ha? Sa gitna. Iwas sa mga tornado. Okay, ready? Tatang ka ko. Oh, go! Nice! Tayo ko. Hindi ka kapag sa character gamitin mo kapag binabatin na yung kulay ko lang. Kasi dito lang sa gitna may silang natin. Oh, alisan. Iwasan mo yung mga ito. Huwag ka dyan kapag carry. Magtaka pa lang. Huwag hirapan. Okay, ito. Oh, ayan na, ready. Gitna lang. Nice. Hindi pa. Oh, gitna lang. Yan, isa. Gitna lang. Love. Nice. Oh, ready.
Wait.
Go. Kita bagal ko.
Oh, no. Don't let him trick you. Shoo!
yung star.
Did it! Once more, Hope of Spring has returned to the Underland, and everyone can live happily ever after. You gotta admit, feels kind of good, doesn't it? What does? Saving the world.
It had its moments.
You can do better than that.
All right, the monkey part didn't completely suck.
I knew you'd come around.
Glitch, finally.
I'm gonna miss this place.
Let's get out of here.
The situation is still not solved.
Look, I've got a plan. We're going to get them out.
I don't like where this is going.
First, we have accusations of the machine stealing ideas, and now this.